Welcome back to the Million Dollar Landscaper podcast. Now, today I'm all by myself. Katie has been kind of working like crazy behind the scenes. We have started working with a few different coaches, trying to improve what we have and to be able to honestly just get out there more and to let people know what we have. And so it's a lot of work, a lot of great things to come. If you're in our landscape business Facebook group, landscaping owners Facebook group, we got a lot of great things coming your way. Like I said, we're working with a coach and we're working on ways to add more value. So we're going to be adding more things into the academy, giving out more things and providing more videos and more trainings inside there. So make sure if you're not in the landscape business Facebook, landscape business owners Facebook group, make sure you guys get in there today. Now, today's question I have, a topic I should say, comes from a question somebody asked inside the Facebook group. And this question I see get brought up from time to time, and it's where landscapers just don't know what to pay themselves. They're not sure how much they should be making as a owner. And sometimes I see them not even getting paid at all, or they're the last ones to get paid. Hell, we even had this in our business. I remember at one point when I first started to really start jumping into the business side of things in my family business. My mom was only making like $13,000 or $14,000 at that time. Like, Mom, what are you doing? Why the hell are you doing this? Like, well, it's for the business, to help the business make more money. I'm like, at this point, you might as well go work for somebody else. Like, why would you even consider doing that for $13,000 or $14,000? It's like insane. And I see this happen time and time again inside the landscaping realm, where we'll just we'll get more money later, we'll make more money later, and they're just barely making it and barely surviving. And so again, like I said, one of the members that I was talking to in the Facebook group was talking about this, and I kind of shared with them something to really get them thinking. And I'm going to be sharing it with you here as well, and give you the chance to actually get this tool that I shared with them.
We want to take a quick second to tell you about our friends over at Cycle CPA. I can't even express to you how important it is to have a good accountant on your side. You know you want accurate bookkeeping and financial statements every month. Instead, you're often left with limited time to focus on the accounting side of your business and no reports to show for it. At Cycle CPA, the landscaping accountants, they not only handle the bookkeeping, but also provide landscape industry benchmarking, job costing, financials by service line, advisory meetings, and much more. Cycle CPA has a team of landscaping accountants available to provide anything from bookkeeping to CFO services. Visit cyclecpa.com and for $100 off, mention the Million Dollar Landscaper podcast.
Easy Beezy's easy to use, easy to learn, affordable work order and time clock app with unlimited users included with every subscription. If you've ever struggled with the daily grind of keeping track of work orders, you have to check out Easy Beezy. Make and edit work orders anytime, anywhere you're working, at your desk, in your truck, on the job site, even on your couch. With Easy Beezy, you can easily copy work orders to use over and over, which is great for mowing and plowing. You can also keep track of employee timesheets, contact your customers, add notes, instructions, even pictures of your jobs. Easy Beezy works on Android and Apple devices or any tablet or computer. Easy Beezy also has a wide variety of reports so you can have all the info you need for billing right from your phone. Say goodbye to paying for extra users because everyone gets unlimited users on Easy Beezy. Try Easy Beezy for free for 30 days. Visit easybeezy.app/MDL to sign up. Easy Beezy is a simple work order and time clock app for mow crews, hardscape crews, and everything in between. Start saving time and money with Easy Beezy. Visit easybeezy.app/MDL to sign up today. I want you to really start taking a look at your business. You put so many hours and so much sweat and sometimes tears in there as well to really, push your business forward. And at the end of the month or end of the year, your bank account is not really reflecting how much time and effort you put into this. And I really want you to start looking at your business as a way to provide you the life that you want. And the way this can happen is for you to really start looking at your personal life, looking at what you personally need to survive and live a comfortable life as a person, whether it's you and your spouse, or you and your family. How much money do you need to make per month? This is very important. So, what I actually shared with this person in the group is a personal budget. And if you guys are interested, head over to milliondollarlandscaper.com/budget, BUDGET, can't speak, BUDGET, and make sure you guys download it. I'll put it in the comments and you guys can grab it there as well. But what I would like for you to do is to really sit down and think about your own personal life. Has nothing to do with your business. There will not be any truck payments or anything landscaping related in this. This is only for your personal life. Again, it could be you, or if you and your spouse are in the business, or you and your family, whatever it is, what you really need to do to survive. So I want you to look at things such as, like, your groceries, car payment, mortgage, rent, utility bills, your doctor bills, and even fun things like just going to the movies and living a normal life, going out for the restaurants every now and then, doctor bills, those types of things. You really need to look at those things and start understanding what it costs you and your family, whatever it is, to survive and get through. And again, you can design your business to pay you this much. And it might sound crazy, but it is definitely doable. So I want you to take this free tool. Again, it's head over to milliondollarlandscaper.com/budget and download this free tool and go through it and figure out what you need to do. And the cool thing is, at the top part, you can put in what you need to bring in, or what you think you need to bring in, and then you put in all your costs to survive. It's going to tell you at the bottom if it's good or bad, or if you need to make more money. But you really have to start dialing in and looking at what you need to make to survive a comfortable life. And I'm not talking living above and beyond your means, especially if you're starting off. What do you need to live a comfortable life? And then this is what you're going to put into your business's budget, your business's, your salary payment for your work. Now, I'm not going to get into how you get paid through that. That's a whole nother topic for another discussion for another day. But I want you to take that information. So if you need to make $50,000 to survive, $75,000 to survive and live a comfortable life, I shouldn't say survive, but to live a comfortable life, this is what you're going to put into your budget for your business. And I want you to really understand, like, you can have your business pay for this stuff. It should be paying for this stuff. Otherwise, why the hell are you doing this? And if this is the case, then I want you to stop right now and start putting this in and start really thinking about it. It can do this. But what you're going to do once you take this information, again, if it's 50,000, 75, 100,000, whatever it is you need to make, you put that in your business, and that's going to go into your owner's salary, or your paycheck, however you want to get paid. Again, we're not talking about that today, but this is what the business is going to pay you. And this is going to help you dictate how much you have to do in revenue and sales per month to make sure you can pay that, because it's consider that just like part of your bills, like how you have to pay for a truck payment or a piece of equipment payment or fuel, whatever it is. This is part of the payment. This is part of your salary, and you must consider this in there. And this is all going to dictate how much you are going to charge your customer, of course. But you must get paid for the work you do, the time and energy you put into this. Now, I'm not going to get into pulling an owner's draw to make some, or to get paid more for you for just being a business owner. I'm not going to get into that, but just to survive, because I see this happen time and time again. And kind of go along the lines of the question. I'm kind of stepping out of the topic here a little bit, but the question that was asked had to do with the person, being a few years into their business. And I'm probably butchering this question, but they had, been in the business for a few years, and the business made whatever, I can't remember exact number, but say $50,000 profit. And that profit was what they thought was their salary. To me, that net profit is not your salary. Now, it could be owner's draw as a reward for you doing your work and stuff, but your net profit should have had that your owner's salary taken out before then when you're looking at the numbers. So it is important for you to think not that profit is all yours. No, that's not the case. The profit should be there to you can to invest in your business or to also give you a reward. I'm not saying no, but it should be there to invest in the business, to whatever you need to do to move your business forward. You know, maybe next year I need to build a new website, or I need to update my website, or I need to buy a new piece of equipment. But if you don't have that profit in there, and you've taken out that salary, then you have down to zero, you have no money. So again, you have to understand what you personally need to make. We take that information, put it into your business in their budget, in the budget for your business, which is about the time of year we need to be planning for next year. We'll get into that another topic. But now you take that, put into the business's budget, and this is what you are going to get paid. And you design your business around that. And it may sound crazy if you've never done this before, but it can be done. It is a huge mindset shift. And it's so important that you really start to understand that you can make this money and you deserve it because you work your ass off. You sacrifice yourself, your time, and everything you do for your business. Like I said, the blood, sweat, and tears you put into it, you deserve to get paid to live a comfortable life on it, and it can be done. You look at all these businesses out there, it can be done. And I want you to really take a look at your business. I'm sorry, look at your personal side of things and understand what it costs for you to live that life. And again, guys, if you need that tool, head over to milliondollarlandscaper.com/budget. Click on it, download it, and start using it today. It's a quick and easy tool for you to figure out what you need to do. And this is just one part of the puzzle, and we're going to dive into more of this later on. But I wanted to hop in and share this quick information with you guys. If you have any questions about it or not sure about what I have to say, feel free to reach out to me. You can always email me at Scott, SCOTT, at milliondollarlandscaper.com. You can leave notes in the comment section on YouTube or in the Spotify or whatever. Ask questions, guys. That's what we're here for. And again, guys, if you're not in the Landscape Business Owners Facebook group, make sure you get in there today. You're going to see a whole different change coming into the group here over the next few months. It's going to be awesome, guys. So I look forward to sharing with you guys a lot more information and providing you guys a lot more value. So make sure you guys check that out. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.